Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Monday, and this is going to be what sold from about Saturday morning to right now. So we're going to follow Kathy around and see what sold for us.
Hey guys, yeah, so probably half our sales are already on this table because they were just listed over the weekend and sold right away. So I just hadn't put them away yet. So first up were these Salomon shoes. You've probably heard me talk about this brand. It's a great brand to look out for. The boots go for a really good amount, but the shoes are good too. These ones sold for $35 plus shipping on Facebook Marketplace. I have $7.99 into them. So. And then these are some Chacos. Sorry, I'm out of order. Alright, so these, are some Chacos I paid up for at Goodwill at $18, but I did sell them on Facebook for $45 plus shipping. They pretty much sold within less than an hour of being listed. And then these SAS sold, I don't remember if these were on Facebook. I think these were on eBay maybe. Yeah, these were on eBay, I believe. You'll see on the screenshot if I'm wrong, but these I just picked up at a garage sale last weekend for $2. Sold them for $25 plus shipping. These little Nike shoes I did pay $5.99 for at Goodwill. Sold them for $18 plus shipping on Facebook. They sold pretty much within the first day of being listed. These sold within minutes of being listed. They're just some Nike slide sandals. I have $6.50 into them. Sold them for $18 plus shipping. Like on Facebook, I've mentioned, I usually list to Facebook and let it sit for at least an hour or two before I cross post. So like I list it lower there because of the lower fees. So as long as I can make $10 profit, I'm happy. If I'd have posted those to, eBay and all the others, it probably would have been 20 plus ship or something. And then last but not least, these little Under Armour camo slide sandals. These ones I paid $3.99 for, sold for $16 plus shipping on Facebook. And those sold right away as well. Pretty much any like camo, especially kids shoes. I don't know if adult shoe sell is good, but camo kid shoes sell really fast. The Crocs, the slides, pretty much anything. Alright, so I have a few things in this closet, so we're kind of a disaster today. This is all of our weekend finds.
Yeah, we'll
put them away.
Have another video for that stuff coming out.
I sold this already. I love selling winter stuff in the summer. I sold.
Here, you want me to hold something?
Two pairs of these. So the play sandals, so the first pair sold for $22 with discount shipping. So not making very much off these because I have $10 into them. So that was like a $5 or $6 profit. And the other pair sold for $26 without discount shipping. So that one I about doubled my money on. And then this Columbia snowsuit, I had it listed for $40 plus shipping. Someone messaged me on Kiddas and asking if I would do $30, and I just said yes because, well, first off, it's the middle of summer, so if I can get rid of it before winter, I have more space to fill our closet with coats when the time comes. And secondly, I only paid $3 for it just a couple weeks ago at a garage sale, so I thought $3 to $30 was pretty good. Oh, I broke the hanger, so now that's $3.10 because that hanger cost 10 cents.
Okay.
Hey, you gotta think about what are these, like what is stuff called that you buy? You know what I mean.
Just like cost of doing business?
Yeah. All the polymails
Supplies.
at the cost of, I broke one of my supplies, so I have to account for that. Alright, so that was all that. And then, let's see, BE. Good thing I did some listing this weekend because it wasn't that great of a weekend altogether anyways, but most of what I sold was listed this weekend. So these Adidas flip-flops were one of them. I sold them on eBay for $16 plus shipping. They were new with tag, but like it looked like they've been in somebody's garage or something for a long time. They were super dusty, so I wiped them down, but they're still dusty. So yeah, I had only paid $3.99 for them, so I just wanted to make a quick sale. So $16 on those plus shipping. And then E. Sold this Chaser brand. It's like a sun tank top. Picked this up at Goodwill for $4.99. Sold it for $18.15 plus shipping. Fit flops sold the first day I listed them for $29.95 plus shipping. I have an average cost of goods of $5.69 into those. These Birkenstocks I got on Plato's Closet, like I think it was a half off sale or something. So I think they had them priced at $24. I got them for $12, and that is a lot because these plastic ones don't sell for that much, but I know I could probably get around $30 plus shipping fairly quickly, which is what happened. So I listed them $29.95 plus ship. They sold within the hour for that price. So doubling my money. Always happy to do that. I sold these Clark's boots. Chris and I were on a date night down in Pueblo, Colorado one day, and I always make him go into some sort of thrift store with me. So we picked these up on date night for $9.99 at Goodwill and sold them for $54.55 plus shipping on eBay, or not plus shipping, free shipping, because I just dropped the price and did free shipping instead, which seemed to work because they've been listed probably since like almost last summer. So yeah, the shipping though, I think these are going to Connecticut. Yeah, it was $13.68 of that, so kind of a lot, but still over a $20 profit. So I'm happy with that. Alright, these are just some Hannah Anderson Chewbacca PJs, and these were my son's. I believe I paid about $20 for them, and then I ended up selling them for $20 free ship, so losing the shipping and the fees, but he got some good wear out of them, and I think they either had a pretty good stain or a hole on them, which I disclosed, so happy to even make $20 back. Alright. Sold these Crocs. They're like a nursing clog one. These ones sold for $26 plus shipping on Mercari. Someone just bought them at my list price, and I have $7.99 into those. Alright, BL. Selling a lot of winter stuff. Sold these Sorel girls snow boots. I really like these ones, the purple and the teal. Thought they were cool. I found them just at the end of kind of the winter when people really weren't buying anymore, so I've had them for a few months, but I didn't expect them to sell till August, September. But they sold on Posh. Someone offered me $40, so I accepted. I only paid $5.99 for those. Oops. Alright, and then last but not least, these are some Brooks. These were a small size of 6, so they did take a while to sell, even though they were like in perfect condition. So yeah, I really think that was just because of the size. All of my other Brooks usually sell fairly quickly, so these ones did end up selling though for $35 plus shipping on Mercari. I only have $8.99 into them, so pretty good sale.
All right, so that's what's sold so far. We're gonna go ahead and get this stuff packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, got everything packed up, ready to go. We did not have any more sales come in, and it's been kind of a lackluster weekend as far as sales go, but that's probably because we've been busy, and it has been a very busy week for us. A lot of things going on in the personal world. Have a brother moving back from Las Vegas. Him and his family are back here in Colorado, and had a recent passing of a really good lifelong family friend of ours, and we had to go to a service and all that kind of stuff. So it's been really busy in our personal lives, but we're trying to keep the business rolling. I think a lot of that stuff is slowing down now, so we should be back to listing heavily, and we actually got a lot of sourcing done this weekend. I found some good stuff, Kathy found some good stuff, and we're gonna do a haul video here today, and so you guys can see everything that we found. As far as listing goes, it looks like you've got, what, 23 up today so far?
And 10 yesterday, so. this week's off to a good start. We'll see if we can keep that up. But yeah, between packaging these and finishing up the video, I think that was at like 10 or something at the beginning of the video. So I've been listing a little bit. So
yeah,
and cross posting. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow's a little better and keeps getting better throughout the week.
Yeah, so sorry I haven't been able to get to any of the comments and stuff on YouTube. I'm going to try to go through and get caught up and try to answer what I can. But if you have asked a question on one of our videos and you have not received an answer or anything from us, go ahead and ask it again. That might help. Sometimes it gets hard to go back on these videos that have, you know, it's been a week or so and I haven't got back that far. So yeah, if you feel like your question hasn't been answered or anything, please ask it again. We're not ignoring anybody. It's just super busy for us right now. And I think that along with the kids being home for summer, it's kind of compounding. But yeah, that's going to do it for this What Sold video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.